There is a celebrity trend going on all over the world. It's dunking the face on the ice, or maybe this trend has passed. I'm very bad with the trend, but I think that all of us in today's world know that yes, celebrities were doing this, dunking their face in the ice water or just filled of ice, and everyone says that it is good for their face. It gives good effect on the face. So let me share my views and I will try to answer all of your questions, your confusion in today's video. Hi, my name is Dr. Vivek. Welcome to my YouTube channel. First, how it works. It works or not. See what ice does. Ice gives that cold effect to our skin, to our body, and what it does vasoconstriction. So your blood vessels are going to constrict. So what it will do, if you are having puffiness under the eye, or if you feel that your face is holding water retention is happening, what will happen? Vasoconstriction, and this all puffiness is going to reduce. Open pores, they are going to constrict. Why? Because you have done vasoconstriction, so everything is constrict. You are going to see results, but the problem is that these results are not going to last long. This is just for a short period of time. This is not going to fix your open pores. The same effect it gives if a person is suffering from acne also. Vasoconstriction, less blood supply, redness is gone. You feel that yes, acne have reduced. But you have to keep in mind that person who gets acne, his skin is very sensitive. So if you are using ice on the skin, then you have to be sure about the water also, because you can increase the chance of infection, because already your skin is infected. You are using the water on the skin, and if the water has anything infectious in it, then it can cause acne also. So make sure that the water that you are using in the way you are using, it's right, so that you don't get acne after just reducing acne for a short period of time. And yes, ice is used in the sports also, in the acute phase. For example, after a football match, or during the football match, or during a cricket match, if a sportsman get injured, then what is done? Few people rush to this sportsman and gives an ice bag. Why? Because it does vasoconstriction, and this is going to reduce the inflammation or the pain in that particular joint. But this is not the treatment. It is just to give the acute result, the quick fix for that particular time. That's it. Then the whole treatment is done. So yes, for a short period of time, for acute results, yes, this can be done. But notice how they also apply the ice. They don't just apply ice directly to the skin. And this is what you should also not do. And this is what I didn't like about the trend that was going with the ice. You just dunk your face, your skin on the ice. Ice can cause burning. Yes, cold burn can happen, and this can damage your blood vessels. And if your skin is too sensitive, then it can cause redness. So you have to be very cautious about how you are using ice. What I recommend generally is using a ice bag, or use a towel, a thin towel, or a thin cloth. It can be your handkerchief or anything like that, and then apply the ice so that your skin doesn't have a direct contact with the ice. Ice froze, you might have heard about this term, that ice can damage the cells also. Many times treatment is done by using cold temperature, especially in the veins. If you want to damage the vein, you want to kill the vein, then the doctors, they use cryo method to kill these veins. So we don't want to kill the veins and the cells of our face. So that's why try to avoid direct contact of the ice. It will be better if you want to do, take chilled water and then do it, but not ice. And if you want to go with ice, use a barrier between ice and your skin. And this is how you might have seen in the sports also, how ice is applied. The same way you have to do. Also, if you are suffering from severe skin conditions as rosacea, then this is not for you. What is rosacea? If you have redness over this part, it's called butterfly marks. Like this, if it's causing butterfly over here redness, this is rosacea. Then also you have to avoid using ice on the skin. If you have sensitive skin, then also I will recommend not to use it. And always remember that this ice is going to cause dryness of your skin. You can notice this on the skin of the people who live in cold areas. If a person is living in cold areas, their skin have higher chances of getting wrinkles, or they age fast. Why? Because of the cold. And you are giving this cold to your face, so it can dry your skin. If you are using any kind of cold thing on your face, make sure to moisturize your skin perfectly. You can use cold aloe vera gel or cold creams or the creams that are kept in your refrigerator. Those things, they will be soothing, they will be cooling. This way you can use your cosmetics rather than just putting the ice on your face. If you have sensitive skin or you're not sure which cosmetic products to use, then you can contact my website, that's vherbal.in. Over there you can get individual consultation about which products will be better for your skin, which products you should be using so that you get maximum results. If you are interested, this is the number. You can book a consultation with our team, and no, you don't have to pay for this, and we'll try to guide you. So no, ice is not going to give you an anti-aging effect or collagen boosting effect, nothing like this. Whatever effects you are going to get, they are going to be for short period of time, and be cautious that you are not slowly damaging your skin. And my recommendation will be to use it only when you are in severe need. For example, there is a very important meeting or very important event that you have to attend, and you are saying that you have puffiness on your face or you have swelling under the eyes. At that time, you can use ice. So try to use ice only when it's needed. Try to avoid it using every single day. So these are my general recommendations. I hope this video gave you a good idea about how to use ice. And I hope this video will be helpful for you. See you in next video with a big smile. Up to the time, smile more, stay happy, stay healthy.